What's going on, guys? Or should I say, my investors and my investets? How y'all doing today? I do apologize for the audio once again. I'm not using the best equipment here, all right? I'm on an iPhone. I got the air conditioner blowing. It's probably 105 degrees outside. I'm hot as hell. So today, I'm just going to do a portfolio update. Once again, the information presented here is not necessarily that of myself or anyone else that participates. It is for entertainment and educational purposes only. I can neither confirm nor deny the accuracy of any of it. This is not financial advice. Okay, this is just a portfolio update. Like I said, if this channel's new, so if you're new to this channel, you're probably one of the first subscribers. And I'm just, updating my portfolio every day, letting you guys know what plays I'm actually making. I'm not trying to tell anyone to buy the stocks that I have. Everybody's portfolio is unique to their own specific, whatever they like. Don't choose what I have just because you're listening to me. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm actually a freaking moron, but I do know how to make money. So let me go over my couple positions that I'm in right now. I like to do a lot of swing trading. I don't day trade too much, but I do swing trade. And if you don't know what that is, it's pretty much the same thing as day trading, except you hold it for more than a day. If you hold it for 2 days, you're a swing trader. It's just not a long-term. And I'm a long-term investor as well. So I like to hold Apple, Tesla, Google, Facebook, and Microsoft. Those are my main ones that I like to keep money in. But every now and then I will sell them to do a swing trade or a day trade, depending on what's going on or what news is going on. So I'm going to show you what I've gotten myself into today. Obviously, as you can see, if you saw my previous videos, I believe I had about 18,000, maybe 18,500 or 18,600, somewhere around there. But today we made some significant gains. I did deposit some more money as well, so that I did put in, I think I deposited $300-400 or something like that. But anyway, let's get right into it here. So as you can see in the after hours movement, it says SHLL is up 3.39%. I bought that this morning. That is right here. Oh wow, it's up to 19.11. I didn't even know that. So I purchased it this morning at $16.99, and immediately, like always, when I purchase a stock, it kept plummeting. But I knew that this stock would come up. I have faith in it. It's another one of those hybrid companies, except this one is a semi-truck, just like NKLA, another stock that I made plenty of money on. I get a good feeling that this one's going to do the same thing. It might be even bigger than NKLA because this company is actually a little bit more. Whoa, look at that jump, huh? This company is a little bit more affordable, for companies. And what they do is they take diesel trucks and they convert them into hybrid trucks. And I think what's going to happen in the future, and this is just my opinion, I think a big company like Freightliner or what are those big semi-truck companies, I think they're going to come along and just buy this company out and just use the technology that they have already implemented. Because I think it's what this company does is they take diesel trucks and they configure them into hybrid trucks. I think it'd be much easier for the factory just to buy this company right out and start implementing this technology, on the assembly line. I think that's what's going to happen in the future, and I think this company has a lot of potential. Wow, there's some moves going on here with this. Let me say, it's got to be this company here, yeah. So, like I said, this company I believe is going to go straight to between $24 and $27. It's gonna jump around in there a little bit. This is just my prediction, and then it's gonna push its way up to $30. And I think it's gonna hover around that $30 range until the merger happens, which is going to be around September, October. And once that merger happens, it's probably going to start taking off, and most likely you're going to have to sell and wait for it to come back down and settle, if you do want to get back into the company, to kind of figure out where it's gonna where it's gonna end up settling at. Just like Nikola went through the roof and then it came down. I still think 60. I think it's at 60 something dollars. I still think it's well overvalued. I think Nikola, $30, $40 maybe, somewhere around there. 40, 50's pushing it. If you believe in that company, that's a good spot to get back in. And I think the same thing's going to happen here. Pretty much what happened with Nikola, I think the same thing's going to happen here. So we'll see how this one plays out. I am still holding it. I bought 500 shares, like I said, this morning at $16.99. I'm up $1,100, almost $1,200 here. And I'm going to continue holding it. I'm going to see what happens. I know it's going to go over 24, 25, and I'm just going to keep riding it out. So, like I said, this is a portfolio update, so I wanted to show you what's going on here. I did grab some more Apple. I don't know how many shares I had. I think I had 23, so I grabbed 7 more, or I had 22 and I grabbed 8 more, something like that. There's some big news with Apple. They're going with their own CPU, so they're parting ways with Intel, and that's going to be huge for the company because AMD and Intel, those are the only two dominating the market with the CPU chip there, because they have their own patent or whatever, their own licensing. But Apple's got their own thing going. I think Intel and AMD have the computer world, the desktops on lockdown, but I think the world is changing over to more of the tablet, more of the mobile device. And I think that's where Apple's going to shine. Who uses desktops? I'm using my phone right now. Who uses that stuff anymore? You know what I mean? So we'll see. A lot of companies still use desktops and laptops, and so you never know. But I did buy some more Apple today. So what I plan on doing is, you see down the bottom here, I still have Tesla, and I still have Facebook, and I still have Google, because I will eventually end up buying them back. I just want to increase my position. The reason why I buy stuff like this company here, just to make some profit, and IVR, I want to get into that. The earnings report came out, and as you can see, it was expected 22 cents per share, and if you look here, they're well over what was expected. So expect this stock to come shooting back up. If it gets up to like $8, $9, I might consider selling all these, because again, I'm only holding this security here, just to increase my other positions, which are Apple, Microsoft, Tesla, Facebook, and Google. So if that one goes up to $8, $9, I will be selling that, and as well as Tortoise. And I don't know why this is called Tortoise, because this is nothing like a tortoise. I mean, this thing is flying right now. This should be called, a rabbit acquisition, or something that's faster than a tortoise, because this is not moving like a tortoise. I get a feeling tomorrow you're going to see some big jumps in here again, and as well as through the week, you're going to see some big ups. You're going to see some pullbacks, but you're going to see higher movements in the upside. So, I mean, that's pretty much it. So that's the profile. That's my portfolio as of today. The highest I had it was at 21,500, and Invesco was like screaming. It was at one point, where is it at here? It was up to almost $5, and it really put me in a good position on my portfolio. But we'll see what happens tomorrow. I think tomorrow it's going to push over the $5 mark, but I could be wrong. But yeah, that's all for today. This is just a portfolio update. If you liked the video, just give me a thumbs up, and leave a comment down below. Let me know what stocks you're holding. Are you a swing trader? You're a day trader? Are you in Invesco? If you are, good luck. Did you happen to pick up the turtle stock? Just let me know in the comments below. All right. Thank you. Bye-bye.